I'm so scared. I don't know why. Okay. What's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Today I am back with a brand new video for you and I am super excited because you know I've been making slime for such a long time, but there are still so many things that I'm curious about when it comes to slime. Like what else can you do with it besides squishing it, poking it, popping it, those kind of things. So the other day I was getting ready like a normal day and I was looking in the mirror and there was water on it and it kind of like distorted my image a little bit. I looked kind of funky and cool. So it got me thinking of slime. I'm always thinking of like different slime ideas and then it hit me, y'all. Okay, ow. We're gonna make funhouse mirrors out of slime. I know it sounds a little insane. You're probably like, how in the world are you gonna do that? To be honest, I really don't know either. But we're working with Elmer's on this one, so we're in good hands. Ooh. Elmer's is working on something pretty big. I don't even know if I can tell you right now, so I'm gonna try to keep it to a minimum. Maybe I'll give you a little bit of a hint. And all of your slime what ifs will be answered this summer. All right, so if we're going to be using slime to turn a mirror into a funhouse mirror, then we're obviously gonna need some slime. So I have a pretty big mirror. It's a floor like to ceiling length mirror kind of, and we're gonna need a lot of slime. So I'm gonna start off with a gallon of Elmer's clear glue here. Let's pour this baby in. We're making a big batch today, honey, okay? Okay, so I got all the clear glue added in here, but I'm gonna add even more fun stuff like the new Elmer's metallic glue. They have a bunch of them. Look at these here. They're super, super cool. They have a bunch of different colors as well, not just these here. I'm gonna be using the teal and the blue color today just because I wanted to have a little bit of like a metallic sheen, but with a little pop of color, if you know what I'm saying. So I'm super excited to be adding these in. Let's go ahead and do that. All right, so let's add in our glue. That looks so cool. Oh my goodness, I am so excited to mix this already. All right, so my metallic glue and my clear glue are in here now and it looks amazing. So I'm gonna go ahead and mix this. Watch this part because it is gonna be mesmerizing, y'all. Look at how cool that is, oh my goodness. Wow, it looks beautiful. This is going to be the prettiest funhouse mirror I've ever seen, that's for sure. This looks so pretty. Okay, so now that we got the tint of our blue metallic color, I'm gonna add in a little bit of metallic pigment in here because we do need this to be gray so that it can reflect like a mirror, if that makes sense. At least that's what I'm thinking in my head. So I'm adding in a little bit of silver pigment powder. I think that should be good. All right, let's go ahead and mix our pigment in now. Wow, this looks so gorgeous, oh my goodness. This is gonna be the best metallic slime I've ever seen. I can already tell. It's so beautiful. Wow. It looks so gorgeous. I've probably said that a million times already, but it's true. It's so pretty. Okay, y'all, I think this color is perfect, so it is time to activate our slime. So to activate my slime, I have a bunch of Elmer's magical liquid. We're just gonna add this in. You don't need to add anything to this. It's already made activator. You just add it into your slime and your slime becomes slime. So just like any other activator, you add it in a little bit at a time and stir, and then your slime comes together. This is so fun. Look, already becoming slime. So cool. Okay, we need a little more magical liquid up in here. Y'all, my arms are already tired from stirring. This is legit a sport, okay? They should have slime making classes instead of PE at school because this will get you some strong arm muscles, that's for sure. All right, y'all, we're almost there. As you can tell, I am legit out of breath. This is a workout, but it's gonna be so worth it because this is gonna work. I just know it. I had to go in with my hands, honey, because these are the best tools you got, you know what I'm saying? Okay, I totally underestimated the time that it takes to make a big batch of slime like this by hand. I usually make it in my mixer, so this was definitely very fun and hard. I'm actually sweating a little bit, but it's gonna be worth it, y'all. So our slime is pretty much done. Look at that. It's super, super nice right now, but it's a little bubbly. So what we have to do is, just like any clear slime, we have to let this sit for a day or two so that it can gloss up and get really shiny. That's what's gonna give us our mirror effect. So we're gonna say bye-bye to this little baby here and come back to it in 2 days. Ta-da! And thanks to the power of editing, it is 2 days later and the slime is ready. Just kidding, y'all. So it's not 2 days later, but I did make this batch of slime right here with the exact same method that I showed you all earlier. And I made this 2 days ago so that it can gloss up. Look at how beautiful it is. I just popped like the little bubbles that were on top, but there's still a little more. It's so beautiful and it's ready. Like, look at that. It's so good. I think we should take this out and play with it just so that y'all can get the real effect and look at how shiny it is and how amazing it is, because it's so cute. Take it up out of here, all right? Ooh, it's so pretty. Oh my goodness. It's super, super shiny and metallic. It's so beautiful. I love how it's like silver, and we use that blue glue as well. So it has like this metallic blue tint to it as well. It is gorgeous. All right, so now that we have the metallic mirror slime all done, it is time now to go ahead and put it on my mirror. I have a huge mirror. It's actually in my room, so let's go over there. I don't think I've ever showed y'all my room before. It's kind of boring. Everything's pretty much white and gray. I do have a projector, so that's kind of cool. But yeah, let me show you. So I am gonna try to cover this mirror in slime and see if it turns it into like a funhouse mirror. I think that's gonna be super cool. Let's find out if it works. Okay, we're rolling again. I got my slime, got my mirror back there.
Let's do this.
So what I think I'm gonna do is, I think I am going to start with the top and let the slime just kind of drip all the way down. We need the slime to go all the way down because it needs to be a funhouse mirror. So funhouse mirrors are usually like this. They're usually large. So yeah, let's do it. I'm so scared, I don't know why. Okay. So I'm putting my slime on my mirror. Please don't break my mirror. I really love this mirror. Oh, that's so crazy. Okay, we need more slime. Need more slime. As best as I can. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, no. Okay, hold on. That didn't work. Let's try to do smaller bits. All right, we got this. We got this, all right? That's working, I think. I'm pretty sure that's working. That's working. So maybe the key to this is to like not have them touch, at least until it's like really sticky, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna start on this corner again and just do what I did on the last corner. Nope. Okay. Whoa. Chill. Okay. So let's let that stick. Yep. Beautiful. Beautiful. All right, we just got a million more pieces of slime to go. You know what's cool about this is, besides it being a fun mirror, I mean, funhouse mirror, it's actually gonna clean my mirror for me as well. This is a lot harder than it looks, I'll tell you that much. Oh, the entire mirror just moved. I'm not trying to die today. It feels like I'm making a masterpiece, like Bob Ross or something. All right, y'all, so I think the mirror is pretty much done. We have put slime all over it. Now it just needs to kind of settle and fill in the little spaces. So I'm gonna let it do just that and wait like probably like 5 minutes for it to kind of, you know, do its thing. I do have a little bit more slime here just in case we need to fill in any more spaces that don't fill in itself by itself. So let's let this sit and hopefully I can try to take a thumbnail that's really cool. Be one with the mirror. You are the mirror. I know I look crazy, but fam, we got a good thumbnail. All right, I think it's time for some slime mirror selfies. So I pretty much have to get really close to the mirror, like super close, in order to see my reflection. Let me take some selfies for y'all real quick. Hey, what's up? I think this is so cool. Look, see, if I get my hands like really close to the mirror, you can see. Okay, so this might not be a funhouse mirror, but it's a really cool slime mirror, that's for sure. This is so cool. Still really good slime though. Alrighty y'all, well that is pretty much it for this video here. I really hope you all enjoyed it. Now I know what happens if you turn slime into a funhouse mirror. It was so cool. If you have a slime what if, don't forget to go ahead and leave them in the comment section down below. And also make sure you subscribe down below by clicking that subscribe button and follow along as me and a couple of friends are gonna be getting some crazy what if surprises from Elmer's, and I'm so excited that it's all coming soon. There I go again saying way too much. I'm so sorry, I'm just really excited, and you know that I love Elmer's. So thank you all so much for watching. I love you very freaking much, and I will see you all next time. Bye!